Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to unfriend Free Fire friend. If you want to unfriend a friend in Free Fire game, open up the Free Fire app on the mobile device first. Once you are in the lobby page, go to the top right section and then tap on the two human icons. This will then open up your game friends menu. In order to delete a game friend, tap on the friends profile picture. Now you will see this pop-up appearing on the screen where you can select Delete Friend button. Click on the OK button in the pop-up to confirm your action, and after you do that, you will be able to delete the player from your friend list. They won't appear in your friend request team list or receive invites from you anymore. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.